Hey there, let me show you 2 super simple ways to copy projects in Canva. 1. Copy a project while editing. Open your project. Up top, click File. Choose Make a Copy. Then a copy pops up right away. Rename it by clicking the title and keep working. 2. Copy from your home page. Back on your Canva home page. Find the project you want to duplicate. Hover over it, click the 3 dots. Choose Make a Copy. Then the copy will show up in your designs list. And that's it. If this saved you time, smash that like button and subscribe for more hacks. Catch you in the next one.